It's May 4th, Star Wars Day, and I'm wearing my Batuu shirt. I'm very excited about Star Wars Day, and I really need some blue milk. So I've gathered my ingredients. I'm following a recipe I found online. It suggests rice milk, but I'm going to use some almond milk. And I'm halving the recipe just because I want to sample it and make sure I like it before I make a whole batch. So I need a half cup of milk. Use this. We have some dairy intolerance in our house. 1 cup of pineapple. I actually scraped out some pieces of pineapple from this. So I'm using that. Fresh pineapple. And some unsweetened coconut milk. So I'm going to add this. I'm putting in my bullet. I love my bullet. And watermelon chunks. I did not know watermelon was a part of blue milk. I love watermelon. Dragon fruit flavor. I am fresh out of dragons and their fruit. So I'm going to use a little flavor packet. Just to add something different. I need some ice. Okay. There we go. Maybe a little more for good measure. Okay. And touch of blue food coloring. Whoop. I'm just going to do 2 little drops. Let's put the top on this bugger. Oh, it's turning blue. Okay, here we go. Okay, so adding more food coloring. It looks pretty blue. And okay, that's pretty yummy. That is pretty good. I'm going to put it in my Star Wars blue milk container. Ooh, it made a lot more than I thought. I'm glad I halved the recipe because that filled up my container. Yay! So, happy Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you.